Unmasking the Quack. Understanding the phrase. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. We're going to explore the curious phrase, to be a quack. If you've ever heard someone use this term and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the history and usage of this phrase to understand it fully. The term, quack, is a short form of quacksalver, an old Dutch word that refers to someone who sells medicine, claiming it to be a cure-all. In modern usage, to be a quack means to pretend to have skills or knowledge that one does not possess, especially in the field of medicine. It's often used to describe a fraudulent or ignorant pretender to medical skill or a person who deceives others by pretending to have certain abilities. The history of quack takes us back to the 17th century when the word quacksalver was commonly used. It's fascinating to learn that salver means to rub, and in the context of the term, it referred to someone who rubs ointments or balms claiming they have healing properties. Over time, the term was shortened to quack and took on a more general meaning. Now that we know what it means, let's see how to use it correctly. For example, I realized the doctor was a quack when his treatments did nothing to improve my condition. You should always check a professional's credentials to ensure they're not a quack. It's important to recognize a quack to avoid being deceived. Some telltale signs include grandiose claims without evidence, lack of proper credentials, or avoiding questions about their qualifications. And there you have it. Now you understand what it means to be a quack, and how to use it in a sentence. Remember, it's always good to question and verify someone's expertise, especially when it comes to your health. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to helping you continue your journey in learning English.